Okay, so I wanted to say a few things about this chemical spill here. The name of the company is Freedom Industries. They store chemicals that's used to clean coal. There was a spill 2 days ago. It was January the 9th. It was in the morning. They say it was around 10:30, but they didn't tell anybody till like 4 or 5 o'clock in the evening. There's a lot of videos being posted on YouTube about this chemical, saying that water's been banned. The water has not been banned. All we're told is that we can't use the water to bathe in, we can't use it to wash dishes or wash clothes. The only thing we can use the water for is if there's a fire, or if there's or for toilets. We can use it to flush the toilets with. So the chemical itself, they don't know anything about it. They don't know how to clean it up. They don't know how to filter it out. They don't know how to do anything. And it really pisses me off, because they should know about all these chemicals that's made today, that's used for cleaning and used for the water company. All these chemicals, they should know how to take care of it when there's a spill, or how to clean it up, or how to do whatever it is they need to do to get rid of it, get it out of the water. So I watched a live feed at 10:30 on January the 9th. It was WSAZ on their website. There was a live feed on there, and people were asking the guy questions about this as a representative for the water company. And they say, how long is it going to take to clean it up? We don't know. What are they using to clean the chemical up with? Well, we don't know. The only thing he did say is they have people, the FEMA's out here, Homeland Security's out here. There is the Army Corps are out here. They got their movable labs, they're on wheels, and they're trying to figure out what they can do to clean this stuff up with. But nobody knows anything about the chemical. The MSDS sheets, they try to use those to figure out how to clean it up. And even the company that makes it can't tell them how to clean it up. So I'm thinking, what the hell? Are they storing this stuff right by a river? And if you're ever in West Virginia, you'll notice that all these chemical plants are right beside a river. Every single one of them. There's DuPont down here about a couple miles from my house. In South Charleston, there's a plant. There's one up somewhere towards Montgomery, I think there's one up there. And then there's Bayer down towards Nitro, in the Dunbar Nitro area. And I just can't understand why they would put these next to the river. Some people say so they can keep the plants cool with the water from the river and stuff. And I'm like, well, you know what? They make air conditioning units that they can run stuff in through there and keep stuff cool. I mean, just like with a radiator in a car, you put water in your car and it runs it through the motor and keeps everything cooled down. But I live in Shillian, which is about 13-14 miles from Charleston and about 18 miles from the water plant. I haven't had any issues yet. I mean, this is day 2 of this stuff going on. But my water hasn't been affected yet. That doesn't mean it's not going to be that way when I get home tonight from work. But it's a shame whenever these people, they have these chemicals, they don't know how to clean up. They can't answer any questions that they have been asked on live TV about the cleanup and how long it's going to take. West Virginia Waters did say there's like 1,500 miles of pipe coming, I guess, from the plant to all the houses around here. And they're going to have to shut the plant down. They're going to have to clean the plant. They're going to have to sterilize it. They're going to have to get all these lines cleaned out too. And they don't know how long that's going to take. So we could be anywhere from a week to 4 weeks to 6 weeks with no water. Those of us who have already got this stuff in the water. And you can tell if it's in your water because it creates a white, bubbly, foamy stuff on it. And it smells like licorice. But like I said, I haven't had the issue here yet, but that doesn't mean it's not going to be here tonight or tomorrow. So all the restaurants in Charleston, and within 8 or it was 9 counties, but I think it's 8.5 counties. It's a part of another county, but there's 8 counties that are shut down. All of the restaurants have been shut down. A lot of the hotels have been shut down. The hospitals can't use their water because of this, and it's just one big mess. What kind of company would store this shit in tanks that they're so old that it start leaking? I mean, you should realize, you know, these tanks are old and they need to be replaced. Replace the damn things before they start leaking and get holes in them. So anyway, that's what's going on. There's a lot of people out of work because of the restaurant shut down. I work at a gas station down here. The health department, I was told, was in the gas station, told We had to shut down the water to the bathrooms for the sinks. We had to shut down the water to the sink behind the counter where we wash our hands when we make pizzas, because we do have a pizza station. But we can't make pizzas. We can't sell coffee. We can't sell cappuccino because it's connected to the water line, just like the coffee pot. And the soda machine, the fountain drinks, we can't sell those because it's also connected to the water line. So these people are going to have to get on the ball. They're going to have to start doing something. They're going to, instead of just sitting around thinking, well, we're just trying to figure out what's in this stuff. I mean, for crying out loud, the manufacturer can tell you what's in it. They can tell you how to clean it up. I don't know why they're not doing that, but they can. But anyway, I just want to let everybody know that there's videos on YouTube right now about this stuff, water being banned. Water has not been banned. There's just a restriction on it. You can only use it to put out fires and to fill your commode with. That's the only two things you can use it with. There are people that are using, taking showers and stuff in this stuff. I had a customer come in yesterday, said someone had got a skin burn or a rash or something from taking a shower in it. And I don't know, because I haven't had any problem with it yet. So anyway, I'll keep y'all updated. I'll let you know in a few days what's going on. Don't always listen to everything you hear on YouTube. I actually live in town and here in Charleston within the eight county restriction they have on here. But I'll keep y'all updated and let you know what's going on later. So if you have any questions, comments, leave them below, and I check this thing every day. So I'll try to answer your questions as best I can. Find out information for you. So later.